starting July 20th, the 2-week Art Rules Aruba program will kick off once again. This time, though, applicants should know it will be a much more selective process. For Art Rules Aruba 2015, only the most passionate and driven art students will be selected in being part of the program. This year, the focus will be on smaller classes.
Also, we have invited one teacher per discipline. In the past, Art Rules always has 2 teachers, with the exception of 2 workshops, DJ and music. We are going to really have one teacher focus on a selective group of students, which also means that through the selection process, we're going to be a bit stricter. So we're not necessarily looking for those kids that have a lot of experience, but we are looking for the most passionate, most ambitious students this year. So we still have space for a lot of students, but we are going to be a bit stricter with our selection.
7 art programs in total will be offered. The sisters say it is the people and businesses on the island that has made it possible for Art Rules Aruba to come back summer after summer.
So definitely we would like to thank the local businesses in Aruba who've been able to carry Art Rules for the past 6 years. It's really because of the local businesses have been believing in Art Rules and see a necessity and see that it's vital to have a program like Art Rules happen. So definitely we would like to thank them and just the support of all the local people on the island. There's so many people that follow this project that have been able to send us a lot of positive energy and have been supported us over this past 6 years, whether it's through just being present at the final showcase or posting stuff about the program. So definitely I think that Art Rules is a for us, by us project. It's done by Aruban local folks and 2 girls that have roots here. So definitely thank you to everybody.
To apply or for more information, go to artrules.org. Emails can be sent to info@artrules.org, and they are everywhere on social media, so be sure to check them out.